So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte driver, motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website of Gigabyte. You can download any devices of Gigabyte. You can download driver easily from there. So first guys, you have to come this site. So you can see right hand side, this is search button, and then enter your model number which is you required. Okay, W790 AI top, and then hit enter. Then guys, click to product, click on title of motherboard name, then guys click to add, click on support. This is your motherboard. So you can see this is all driver sections. So select your operating system, which is install Windows 10, 7, 11. Sorry, Windows 10 and 11. So select any, if you are any using, so no worry, you can watch this video and install any operating system. This is because installations process same. Select which is required, Windows 10, 11. Audio driver, you just click to download. It will click on. After that you can see here automatically start here, 165 size, 165 size. Wait few seconds to complete. So you can see here 165 size, just open it and double click to launch. Then click to yes. So now you can see this is installing. So it is closed automatically, means guys this is installed, and then close it. Chipset driver. So you can guys install this one, software of inter management engine software. Just click to download. When you click to download, automatically start. Wait few seconds to complete. It will take 2 to 3 minutes and depend about your internet. If your internet working very fast, so it will download very quickly. Otherwise it will slow that. No worry. After downloaded, just single click to open and double click for the installations. Wait few seconds, it will ask for administrator rights. then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system for installations. So it will close automatically, means this is install and then close it. LAN driver. So you can see this is Intel X717 driver, and just click to download. Wait seconds and then open, and again click to open, double click and then click to yes. And now this is installing the LAN driver. Installing LAN driver, this is showing but the command, it will earn some percentage like that, and it will close automatically, means it is done. So this is Bluetooth driver, Intel Bluetooth driver, and click to download. So Bluetooth is installed, open. When it is completed, double click to launch, then click to yes, and then now you can see this is extract. And then close it. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So you can see this is Wi-Fi driver, Intel Wi-Fi driver, and this is size, and here download button. So it is completed, just single click to open. And this is extract ESC, so double click to launch for the installations. After that, require administrator rights to install, then click to yes. So it will close automatically, so you can see this is installed.